Sustainability is often spoken about in strategies and targets. But for Pasha Real Estate, it's something we do every day, through real actions across the places we build, manage, and maintain. At Bilga Estates, organic waste is no longer treated as rubbish. Grass clippings are composted on-site, monitored through the process, then returned to the soil as natural fertilizer that helps restore organic matter in the soil.
Əvvəllər kəsilmiş bitki qalıqlarını plastik torbalara yığıb zibilə atırdıq. İndi isə öyrəndik ki, təbiətdə heç bir şey tullantı deyildir. Hal-hazırda kompost edib gübrə olaraq torpağa qaytarırıq.
And what we grow here becomes part of daily life, even a tea served locally. And that responsibility extends to guest experience too. From a small garden harvest to the breakfast table, local products and responsible sourcing support the communities around us. At Baku Marriott Hotel Boulevard, Green Key standards translate into practical actions, helping guests reduce laundry and save water. And behind the scenes, laundry operations are optimized to improve efficiency.
Green Key platformasına qoşulmaq bizə imkan verib ki, su və enerji istifadəsində qənaəti daha da artıraq. Otelin yaşıllıq sahəsini daim genişləndirir və heyət üçün mütəmadi Green Key təlimləri keçiririk. Hətta tərəfdaş şirkətləri də Green Key platformasına qoşulmağa təşviq edirik.
In the kitchen, waste is sorted and used cooking oil is collected for proper processing. Across our portfolio, materials are collected, compacted, and prepared for recycling. Within our assets, we also invest in water-smart landscaping through drip irrigation and daily garden care. That approach is also applied across our hotel and residential assets through on-site plant production, where cut branches are reused to grow new plants for landscaping, reducing external purchases and supporting greener spaces.
Kəsdiyimiz budaqları atmaq əvəzinə silik kimi burada yetişdirib, sonra isə ərazidə əkirik.
Sustainability is not a single initiative. It is a continuous process shaped by people, actions, and responsibility. For Pasha Real Estate, sustainability is a practical approach, built into daily operations, efficiency, and responsibility across our assets.